Welcome. If you want to check phone specification of your OPPO A91, for the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down, tap on the About phone, and here we can find the basic information about the smartphone. If you want to get more, you can also go for the status right here, where you can find, for example, the IMEI number, and we can check here also the Android version, and also enable the developer mode. And Android version we can check, it will be probably right here, yes, yeah. And as you can see, here we have the Android 9. So this is how you check the specification of your OPPO A91. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.